Hello everybody! For those of you who don't know, starting from January 5, 2025, nag-announce pala yung Pag-ibig na dapat kapag gusto mo mag-submit ng bid mo for the properties na nakalist sa first and second public auctions, kailangan mo na siyang isubmit online. Meaning to say, hindi na sila tumatanggap ng mga bids na sinasubmit sa mga Dropbox. And kapag gusto mong mag-bid, kailangan mo na siyang gawin online. So what this means is that kailangan mong magkaroon ng Pag-ibig buyer ID para makapag-submit ng bid mo. And for that to happen, so for today's video, let's talk about how to get your Pag-ibig buyer ID kung wala ka pa. But before we start, let's define the word. According to Google, a Pag-ibig buyer ID is a unique identifier used for participating in the Pag-ibig Acquired Assets Online Public Auction, or OPA, allowing home buyers to register, bid on properties, and manage their bids online. And the purpose of this is the buyer ID is essential for accessing and participating in the Pag-ibig's online auction platform for foreclosed properties. So, if you want to participate sa online public auction, kailangan mo talaga ng Pag-ibig buyer ID. So, now let's start. Paano nga ba tayo makakakuha ng Pag-ibig buyer ID? Let's do it. So, the first thing you have to do is you have to search pagibigfundservices.com/online public auction. And here you have to scroll down and tignan mo kung saan mo gustong bumili ng property or kung saan property mo gusto mag-bid. And since gusto kong bumili ng property sa NCR Housing Hub, we're gonna click on that. And as you can see here, there's a button that says register here. Click that, and these are the requirements that you're gonna be needing. One valid ID with signature, selfie photo, kasama yung ID mo, active mobile number. This is very important kasi dito nila ipapadala lahat ng OTP na kakailanganin mo kapag nagsasign in ka dito sa website. And number 4 is very optional. Kung hindi ka naman company or kung individual ka lang ay hindi mo na kailangan nito. So let's click proceed, and yes, these are the information that they're going to be needing from you. You have to fill this out. Your last name, first name, name extension, middle name, date of birth, and phone number. So you just have to fill it out. After that, you have to enter your phone number, and please make sure na may access ka sa phone number na to kasi dito sila magpapadala ng OTP. And dito din nila ipapadala yung Pag-ibig buyer ID mo. And yes, as you can see here, magpapadala sila ng OTP sa phone number na ni-register mo. Click OK. And here, ilalagay mo na yung OTP. And yes, since meron na nga akong buyer ID, ay hindi na nila ako inallow na gumawa pa ng isa pang buyer ID, which I think is really understandable for security purposes. And yes, after nga nung steps na pinakita natin kanina, kailangan mo nang ilagay yung OTP na sinend nila sa mobile number na ni-register mo. And after that, i-ask ka nila na mag-upload ng photocopy ng ID mo and another selfie with your ID. So, ilalagay mo lang yung ID mo dito and magsi-selfie ka and isasend mo yung selfie na yun. I-upload mo yung selfie na yun doon sa website. And after that, just click submit, and after a few hours, isasend na nila sa'yo yung Pag-ibig buyer ID mo kapag okay lahat ng requirements. And don't worry kung may papabago man sila sa'yo at kapag na-revise mo na lahat ng information na kailangan mong i-revise, mabilis naman sila mag-respond, and after a few hours or after few minutes, bibigay na nila sa'yo yung Pag-ibig buyer ID mo kapag okay na lahat ng requirements na sinabit mo. So yes, those are the only steps na kailangan mo para makapagawa ng buyer ID. And after nun, pwede ka na makapag-submit ng bid mo online. And yes, just another quick reminder, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa buyer ID mo, please do it intentionally and please bid responsibly. Thank you mga ka-Takey, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!